In this video, we'll show you how to change the front fog lights on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change the front fog lights on your vehicle, you need to remove the grille trim at its lower bracket. Using a fork, remove the rivet holding the grille trim by prying the central part. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 7mm socket, unscrew the two bolts holding the grille trim. Disengage the grille trim from the bracket by pulling it towards you. Disengage the grille trim from the headlight by pulling on it. Then, using a car trim removal tool, pry along the edge of the grille trim to remove it. Then, remove the grille trim. Now you need to remove the grille trim lower bracket. Using a fork, remove the rivet holding the bracket by prying the central part. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the first bolt holding the bracket. Then unscrew the other 6 bracket retaining bolts using a 10mm socket. Use needle nose pliers to pinch the bracket retaining clip on the fender. You can now pull back the bracket. Use a flathead screwdriver to push the 2 bracket locking pins. You can now remove the grille trim lower bracket. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. You can access the upper retaining bolts holding the fog light to the front bumper. Unscrew them using a 10mm wrench. Position yourself under the vehicle. Remove the power connector from the fog light bulb by lifting the tab and pulling on the connector. Then, using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 lower retaining bolts of the fog light. You can now remove the fog light. You can order the fog light used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new fog light. Install the new fog light on the bumper. Then screw the 2 lower bolts back on. Reconnect the fog light's power connector. Put the fog light back on the bumper. Screw the 2 upper retaining bolts back on. Put the grille trim lower bracket back in place. Then screw the bracket retaining bolts back on. Next, put the grille trim back in place. Then put the 2 rivets back in place. Remember to position the trim correctly in the fender. Screw the 2 grille trim retaining bolts back on. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.